Let's go.
Welcome everyone to DataHouse Technology Summit 2025. It's so exciting to see all of you here today, and I want to thank you for taking your time to join us today. We actually have a lot to cover today, and it's such an exciting event. In fact, it's so emotional today that I can't even speak, and normally I could speak. But before we start into the event, there are a couple of things that I wanted to quick highlight. Is the team actually put in a lot of time and effort to make this an exciting event for you.
With Dell AI, they have to do manual test like 10 steps, but now they only take 3 steps for example.
Oh, I specifically love the live demos because the live demos really showed, everything in action. The one that you guys have developed in action. So that's the part I really like the most out of this event.